Hi guys, today we're going to be performing a distillation of elemental bromine. We're going to be, you should say, extracting it from that solution in the beaker, which is around 122 grams of sodium bromide and 130 grams of water. And we got on a stir plate there, and then I'll show you my apparatus. I got a funnel on the side. I'll put a stopper in that. I've got a column going up to a pressure equalizing funnel, and it goes down an ice cold condenser into a collection flask, which I have right there. Then in that beaker right there, I have some sulfuric acid, and in the beaker to the right, the left of it, pardon me, we have 131 grams of potassium permanganate. So I'm going to add the permanganate to this flask, and we're going to want stirring to stay on during this. So let me add the permanganate to the flask. Make sure I get as much as we can of that. There we go. As you can see, it turned a deep purple. And up here, I will grab my pressure equalizing funnel, and I'll put the sulfuric acid here and set it up, and I'll get back when I'm all done with that. Okay guys, I got the sulfuric acid inside my funnel up on top. So first of all, before we start adding acid, a word of caution: bromine is very toxic, very corrosive. You should read all the safety protocol before performing this, and be in a fume hood, as I am, or in outside, or have a very well ventilated area. So I'm going to start very slowly dripping the sulfuric acid onto this solution. Let's see. I have to move the camera over a little bit, guys. A little bit slower. Okay, so we have sulfuric acid now dripping into the solution while it's stirring at the same time. I don't see any gas being present. My flask is unfortunately quite dirty. So I'll get back to you guys once I start seeing a gas form. Okay guys, so it's been actually almost right after I turned off the camera, around 15 or 20 seconds after that, I started seeing gas forming. You can see it's what, a brown color. It's a thin brown gas right now, and I'm waiting for it to start going up that column, and hopefully it'll form a heavy vapor, and I will soon be able to get distillate coming over, and I can show you guys that. Okay guys, we have a thick brown gas forming inside the reaction vessel, and going up the column it gets somewhat thinner, and there's the funnel with the sulfuric acid in it, and you can see possibly a distillate forming at the beginning of the condenser. It's going to be a little bit foggy because I have my fume hood down, so then coming down the condenser into the receiving flask. We have yet to receive any distillate, so very shortly we will start receiving it, and I will record it. Hey guys, the thick brown gas is working its way up the column right now. I'll just record this part. It's pretty interesting. You can see a lot of bromine forming. So it's about to reach the condenser. It's my first experiment. Hopefully this doesn't go horribly wrong. Let's see. As you can see, it's pouring down. It's already forming drops of bromine, I can tell. And let's see. I don't see any yet. There we go. And we are getting some bromine formation. Okay guys, so when this is done, or when I need to take an important note, I will get back to you. Okay guys, so I got the bromine out of the receiving flask into the separatory funnel, and I'm going to just pour it into this bottle for storage. And as you can see, got a decent amount of bromine I put in here because you can see that there's a layer of probably water and sulfuric acid on it, but I'm going to separate that off, put this in the proper storage bottle. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.